Hello, Driving Intelligence community. This is going to be another installment of my Don't Replace It, Fix It video series. You can check that playlist in the description of this video. But you can see here this beautiful Schwinn bike that I pulled out of the metal recycle, not even scratched. Had a bent derailleur because I threw it in there. The only thing I can see that's wrong with it, and I've already checked it out, the seat's damaged and its front brake caliper is damaged. The reason I like to do these videos is because I want to show you how easy it is to fix something instead of throwing something like this away. And what really frustrates me is that people just don't take these things to Goodwill or other donation locations so that somebody else that may not be as well off gets the benefit of a really nice bike for low dollars. Well, I want to show you how easy this is to fix. I already found the parts on Amazon. I'll link these in the description as well. I'm going to replace that front brake and we'll get this thing on the road. So what's wrong with the front brake? Well, there's a little piece of plastic here that is split from underneath. I don't know if you can see that if I go underneath here. Anyway, that's not repairable, but what I have to do is replace the entire brake assembly, and for extremely cheap, less than 15 bucks, I'm going to replace this entire brake system that I found on Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this thing off. To remove the brake, the first thing I'm going to do is release the cable, release the tension on the cable by opening up this Allen screw right here. That'll allow me to pull the cable back, and then I'll be able to get this brake component off here. I'm going to take both off because I've got brand new ones from the kit. Probably standard size. It's a 5mm Allen. And the bolt holding on the brake assembly is also 5mm. And here's a better shot of what was wrong with it. This plastic piece was split, and that's a Locating Dow. So obviously this can't be fixed. So we're going to replace it with the kit. Let's get that thing open. The set I bought comes in black, and what I didn't realize when I bought this was that there are 4 of these components, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. I only need to fix the fronts, so I've got some extras for a future project. The opposite side of the brake has been removed, and I can remove the cable through the slot very easily. Installing the brake is super easy. You can see 3 holes here, and that's where that dowel pin goes. So I'm going to pick the center one just for simplicity. And then I'll bolt it back on. I adjusted the brakes to meet the metal surface of the wheel, tightened that up pretty good. Again, another 5mm Allen bolt. Did that on both sides, and then I ran the cable back through here and through this set screw. Tightened it up, needs final adjustment, but I finally have some good front brakes on this bike, and we can go riding again. Anyway, just a quick video just to show you that you can really reclaim a lot of this stuff without a lot of expense. Let's keep stuff out of our landfill. Again, check out my other Don't Replace It, Fix It videos in the description of this video, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.